Here's a quick look at the vintage Coach Patricia's Legacy bag. The full name was Patricia Schneider's Legacy bag and the style number was 9951. This bag is in the color British tan and it was made in China in 1999. So in my opinion, I would say this bag is more of a medium to larger size bag, and it does have just a flap closure here on the front, as you can see. So here's a front view up close. And then here's a side view of the bag. And as you can see, here is where you could adjust the length of the strap. Both sides of the strap are adjustable. So here's the other side of the strap as well. And then here's the back of the bag. This one does not have a back pocket. It's just a straight across seam right here, and then it's just smooth leather across the back. And then here's what the bottom of the bag looks like. It does have a seam right here along the center bottom of the bag. And then we'll open up this flap closure here. And then a really nice feature about this bag is that it does have a zip top closure right here. And it's also got a slip pocket here under the front flap as well. Okay, so here is that main compartment of the body of the bag. So you can kind of see it's a fairly roomy interior, I would say, in my opinion. And then it's also got a hanging zip pocket along the back of that main compartment area. And then you can see the creed right here is stamped on that pocket. Here's also a close-up photo of the creed so you can see it a little bit better. So yeah, this little hanging pocket does have a zip compartment. Here's what that little pocket looks like. So then it's also got another kind of pocket or compartment area here behind this main compartment area. So it's got a lot of compartments and pockets. It's got this slip pocket here that sits under the front flap. The main body compartment, it's got the zip pocket here that hangs inside the main body compartment, and then it's got this back pocket or compartment as well. So it's got a lot of storage area, which is really nice. Okay, so that's the Patricia's Legacy bag, and it is available now in our online store, shop.cristinamoda.com. So I will leave a link below in case you wanted to check out this bag further. I will also leave a link below to our main store link. We have a lot of vintage Coach items right now, and we're always adding more. So that information will be below in the description box, as well as all the information that I mentioned at the beginning of this video about this bag. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.